Keith's an amazing guy.
What is up? It is Red, the Rideshare Ginger, coming right back at you. On my way to get a workout in, and it's been a little while since my last video, and we got a decent reason for that, I guess. So the week of the 17th was the last time I kind of checked in, or going into the week of 17th, and I was planning on working Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday of that week. Well, Tuesday, got a phone call, and Grandma had died, had to go out to Pennsylvania for the funeral, so kind of shot the work plans for the week. So didn't work Wednesday, didn't work Thursday, obviously. Got back late Saturday and decided to go out Sunday to work a little bit because, I mean, had no income coming in, so needed to go make a little bit of money. And I made like 100 or 150 or something like that, so made a little cash, but then I ended up heading home, just wasn't really feeling it. So like, this just kind of is what it is. But that is the nice thing about this job is, you know, you make your own hours. I can get caught back up and get caught back up on the money that I missed out on. So this week, for this week, the plan was to work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And if you can't tell here, I got this partition in here. Lyft sent out their partition. I don't know if they give this bonus to everybody, but it was if you did 5 rides, if you installed the partition, did 5 rides before August 30th, you got a $100 bonus. So the plan was to get those 5 rides in before Sunday, August 30th. So I get my $100 bonus. So got it installed on Saturday. Went out first Friday. Did some Shipt, did some Instacart, worked a little bit. Did about $22 an hour on Friday, and door to door. And keep in mind, I'm measuring everything door to door, and I'm coming from Rockford, so that normally means, you know, 40 minutes without a ride or money coming in on the way out, and about 40 minutes on the way back in. So there's a lot of dead time there. But did about $22 an hour. Saturday, I did a 60-mile bike ride in the morning, so got a little bit of a late start, but got out at 1 and went out, did some Shipt, did some Insta, got a few of those in, and then I grabbed a Lyft ride for $4, which was nice, and then got a ping right after I dropped that Lyft off, maybe like 10 minutes later, for a 45 plus Lux. So it was a Lux out of Barrington, heading downtown, paid me $87, I think is what it was, so the $4 trip, yeah. So $87, they bitches didn't tip, but maybe one will come through at some point, doubt it. So I did that, so I did those 2 trips, and then I started heading home, did 1 Shipt on the way home to kind of wrap things up. Man, I gotta sneeze bad. Holy shit. Man, sorry. So I did 1 Shipt on the way home because I was paying like $25 for a super quick Shipt, and it was only taking me like 30 minutes out, like 30 minutes in total, like 15 minutes out of the way, 15 minutes back in, so not a big deal. So knocked that out on the way home. And then Sunday, had the 3 rides left to get the $100 bonus, so I set a destination filter from Rockford to downtown Chicago, and I actually caught a regular Lyft ride from Rockford to O'Hare. Paid me $55. Again, no tip on that one either, but it is what it is. So 55 there, and then I did a 1 Instacart, and then I caught 2 quick Lyft trips. After that, got my $100 bonus, knocked that out, and then did Shipt and Instacart the rest of the day. So on the week in total, I did, with the $100 bonus, $630. I've had a couple of tips roll in today, so I think it ends up being like $650, but we'll work on the $630 number. Take away the Lyft 100, and that knocks me down to $530, and I did 160 on Lyft without the $100 bonus, so 160. So take that 160 out, and the rest was Shipt and Instacart. The whole weekend, I did anywhere from $22 to $24 per hour, door to door. If you want to knock off the time before and after, I probably did closer to $24 to $26 an hour if you're not counting door to door, if you want to count like actual working time. So it was a pretty decent weekend, but not good enough to get me like kind of caught back up on everything. So went out, worked today, got a few orders in. I did a Shipt, an Instacart, and then a delivery only Shipt, and made a quick $40, not too bad, on about 2.5 hours of work, and then went and had lunch with my girlfriend, and now we're gonna get a Lyft in. I probably won't do any more work the rest of the day unless something like catches my eye. I got a group that I meet with on Monday night, so if something catches my eye on the way home, then I'll grab that on the way home. But most likely not doing anything else today. Probably Tuesday and Wednesday off, and then Thursday I might do the thing where I kind of just hang around the house, and if anything catches my eye, then I'll grab it. And then work Friday, Saturday, Sunday this week, and then probably get back after it again Monday for a little short shift like I did this week. But yeah, money's still decent out there. I'm not necessarily chasing things super hard and not making a crazy hard push. I'm working, and I'm not working like crazy difficult. So I don't know, there's money there, and I'm sure you guys could get closer to that $30 an hour if you really were hustling and, doing DoorDash and Uber Eats and Grubhub with it. But my goal is Shipt and Instacart. I'm going to try to make that my wheelhouse going forward, and if I can consistently do somewhere between $20 to $25 an hour, then we'll probably make that happen. If I can make that happen in Rockford too, that'd be great, because I did 40 this morning, and like I said, I only did 2.5 hours of work and got to 40, and it probably wasn't even that much because I shopped one order. Yeah, I don't even know if it was, because I left the house at 8:30, met my girlfriend at 10:30. Yeah, so 2 hours tops of work is all I did. So, and that was for $40. So if I can make that happen in Rockford, that'd be great. Not having to drive out to the burbs and everything to get bigger orders, bigger tips, and have more orders. And there was a lot of orders being shown today in Shipt and Instacart. So, in the Rockford area. So we might try to make it happen out here as much as possible, but for right now, I'm going to kind of stick with what I know, and that's the burbs, and try to dabble, like I'm saying Thursday, I'll kind of sit around the house, see if I can find anything, and just kind of ease my way into doing Rockford area going forward. And my girlfriend's probably going to start doing Shipt and Instacart here soon too, and I think she's going to try to stay closer to home as well. So hopefully she can kind of, scope out the area for us and know if it makes sense for me to work it as well, if I can make the kind of money I need to make out here. But I don't know. I have, I'm going to be putting the video together, I think tomorrow and Wednesday. I'm going to be doing a pretty big series of tips and tricks for Uber and Lyft, and then I'll probably do one for Shipt and Instacart too sometime next week. So keep an eye out for that, and I'll try to keep you guys updated with how the week's going. It was a weird week last week with the funeral and everything, and then trying to get back into work. A lot of travel out to Pennsylvania and whatnot, so just didn't have time I didn't do shit on social media. Like, I didn't really do shit on my TikTok, didn't do shit on my Twitter or Instagram pages, and so it was kind of a lost week, but we will try to get back into the swing of things this weekend, next week, and hopefully I'll get at least a video out here a week going forward. But until next time, guys, let me know what questions you have. Let me know what you think. Catch up with you guys later. Thanks.